Beautiful ladies and gentlemen, have you not heard?
It's going to be a shutdown.
It is happening again, live and direct at UK and Dublin.
Come and enjoy yourself. Come, let's have fun too.
Queens of entertainment are coming all the way from Nigeria to spice up your evening.
It's going to be a shutdown.
Esther O. Edokbayi, popularly known as Lady of Sound, is coming through. Pat Obasuyi, Mama Pat, she's coming all the way from Nigeria to spice you up. Come and tactically enjoy yourself. On the 7th of August 2021, it's going to be a blast.
The time for the great event is 2 p.m. till Mama's Cup.
Come and tactically enjoy yourself.
Dublin people, Island people, my people. Come and enjoy yourself.
This show is powered by two great men, 1 Million and Destiny Ebagwa, USA promoter, and JJ Barry conglomerates and Richie Rich Global. It's going to be a blast.
I remember my humble self, DJ Don Efizi.
I'm a young by name, tactical pastor of House of Z Comedy.
See.